These stick figure channels are printing millions of views with videos that take less than an hour to make, no face, no voice, no animation skills, nothing. Some of them started just months ago and already have millions of views, all from simple stick figures. And the craziest part? This niche is one of the highest paying on YouTube right now, and barely anyone knows how these videos are actually made. Today, that changes. I'm going to hand you the entire workflow. One prompt that works for any niche, motivational, funny, finance, educational, whatever you pick. And it's completely free, unlimited, no catch. But listen carefully, because this video is built like a ladder. Every step depends on the one before it, and the final step is the one that separates the channels stuck at 300 views from the ones going viral. It's a trick the biggest Stickman channels quietly use, and I've never revealed it until now. Miss it and the whole workflow falls flat. So don't skip, don't jump ahead, watch till the very end. And to prove every word of this is real, here's a clip I made myself, using the exact same workflow I'm about to give you.
You were alive for years and remember none of it. Why? It's called infantile amnesia. As a baby, your hippocampus, your brain's save button.
So let's build your first video right now. Step by step, nothing skipped. Everything starts with one prompt. This single prompt can generate a stick figure animation video on literally any subject, and I'm giving it to you for free. Just type stick figure animation prompt in the comments, and I will send you a prompt link. Open that doc, copy the entire prompt from A to Z, don't leave out a single line, because every line matters for what happens later. Now head over to Claude AI, paste the full prompt and hit generate, and watch what happens next. This is where it gets good. Claude doesn't just spit out a script, it interviews you like a professional animation studio would. First question, what should your character look like? This character will star in your entire video, so it needs a reference image. Easiest way, go to Pinterest, search stick figure, and you'll find hundreds of clean character designs. Pick the one you like, right-click, copy the image, come back to Claude, press Ctrl-V, and hit generate. Boom, Claude locks your character. That exact same stick figure will now stay consistent across every single scene of your video, which is the thing most beginners can never pull off. Then comes the next question. What type of video? Comedy, motivational, storytelling, horror, educational? Your choice. I'm picking education for this demo. Paste it in, generate. Next question, short video or long video? I'm choosing short so you can see the full process fast, but the same flow works for long videos too. Then it asks the length, 30, 60, or 90 seconds. Or if you picked long, 5 or even 10 minutes. I typed 30 seconds, and then Claude did something that honestly surprised me. It generated 10 viral topic ideas, ready to go. We're picking one of these and turning it into a complete video. And the next tool we're about to open, that's the one making all of this unlimited and free. Now you've got 10 viral topic ideas sitting in front of you. Pick whichever one hits you. I'm going with idea number 1. Paste it into the prompt box, hit generate, and now watch closely because this is where Claude does something insane. It starts building your complete production plan, scene by scene. For every single scene, you get an image prompt, and right under it, a matching video prompt. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, image prompt, video prompt, all the way through, perfectly matched to your topic and your locked character. Give it a moment to finish, and there's more. Scroll down, and your entire spoken script is sitting there too, ready to record. Think about what just happened. Character, scenes, visuals, script, your whole video is planned in one chat. But prompts on a screen aren't a video yet. To turn all of this into actual images and actual animations, we need a generator, and this is the part I told you about at the start. We're using Higgsfield. Right now, every new user who signs up gets a full 24 hours of unlimited access to all the top models on the Higgsfield website, and that includes Seedance 2.0, one of the most capable AI video models out there, completely free. Unlimited image generations, unlimited video generations, for a full day without paying anything. That's exactly why this whole workflow costs you nothing. My link is in the description below. It's in the first line, you can't miss it. Click it, sign up, log in, and you'll land on the main interface you're seeing on my screen right now. And in the next step, I'm going to show you exactly how we turn those prompts into your stick figure video, starting with the images. Alright, you're signed up and logged in. Now let's generate your first free images. Hover your cursor over the image option and click Create Image. A clean interface opens up, and this is your image factory for the next 24 hours. First, click the Models button in the prompt box. And look at this. Every single image model here is tagged Unlimited. Nano Banana 2, Seedream, all of them, unlimited generations. And you pay nothing. For stick figure images, I'm using Nano Banana 2. Now, one setting most beginners get wrong, the aspect ratio. Making a long-form video? Set it to 16:9. Making shorts? Flip it to 9:16. Then enable the unlimited option. Don't skip that. Now go back to Claude. Copy your first image prompt, just the image prompt. Come back to Higgsfield, paste it, and hit generate. And look at that. First image ready, and it's clean. Your locked character, your scene, exactly as planned. Costs you nothing. Now here's the part where people mess up, so listen carefully. In Claude, right under every image prompt sits a video prompt. Do not copy the video prompt yet. Skip it. Only copy the image prompt for the next scene. Paste it into Higgsfield, generate, and repeat. Image prompt, generate. Next image prompt, generate, one by one until every scene from your production plan is done. Those video prompts you're skipping, they're about to become the most satisfying part of this entire workflow. Because in the next step, we bring these images to life with Seedance 2.0. Now for the part you've been waiting for, bringing these images to life. And here's a time saver, you don't even need to download your images. Look at the top, hover over the video option, and click Create Video. New interface, same simple flow. Click the model button, and again, all these video models are unlimited and free to use. The one we want is Seedance 2.0. Select it. Now click the upload option, and here's the clean part. A tab opens showing everything you generated in the image step. All your images sitting right there. Upload your first scene, then head back to Claude. And now, finally, those video prompts we've been skipping come into play. Right below the image prompt of the scene you just uploaded is its matching video prompt. And listen, this is exactly where the 300 view channels die. Copy the wrong video prompt, pair it with the wrong image, and the AI animates something that doesn't match your scene. Your video looks broken, viewers click away, done. So match them carefully. First image, first video prompt. Copy it, come back to Higgsfield, paste it in the prompt box. Your image is already loaded. One last thing before you hit generate, read your video prompt, because Claude wrote the scene length inside it. Mine says 5 seconds, so I select 5 seconds. Set the output format, 9:16 for shorts, switch on the unlimited mode, and hit generate. And just like that, your first stick figure scene starts coming to life. Now here's how you turn this into an assembly line. While your first video is rendering, don't just sit there. Click the next upload button, load your second image, jump to Claude, copy its matching video prompt, come back, paste, and the moment your slot frees up, hit generate. Scene 2 is now cooking while scene 1 finishes. Repeat that cycle, upload, copy, paste, generate, and one by one, every single image from your production plan turns into a moving stick figure scene. Look at my screen, all my scenes, fully animated, and the total cost so far is still 0. Once they're done, hit the download button on each video and save them all. But a video with no voice is just moving pictures. So now we need the voiceover. And no, you're not paying for some expensive voice app because Higgsfield generates voiceovers too, unlimited, in the same free access. Go back to Claude one last time, scroll below all your prompts, and there's your full spoken script already written and matched to your scenes. Copy it. Back on Higgsfield, look at the top corner, hover over the audio option and click voiceover. Paste your script, enable the unlimited option, then open the voice presets. There's a whole library of AI voices here. Pick the one that fits your niche, hit generate, and your narration is ready. Download it to your device. Script, images, videos, voice, every piece of your video now exists, and you haven't spent a single dollar. My link is in the first line of the description. Remember, you get a full 24 hours of unlimited access as a new user, so you can pump out multiple videos in one day. Now comes the step that decides everything, the edit, and right after it, that secret setting I promised you at the start. For editing, we're using CapCut, completely free, and this part is easier than you think. Open CapCut, hit the import button, and bring in everything. All the video clips you generated on Higgsfield, plus your downloaded voiceover. Now here's the right order, because most beginners do this backwards. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline first. The voice is your skeleton. The clips wrap around it, not the other way. Play the voiceover, listen line by line, and attach each clip exactly where its scene is being spoken. Voice says, Scene 1. Scene 1 plays. Voice moves on, next clip drops in. If a clip runs too long for its line, just cut it down and trim the extra, clean and tight beats long and boring every time. Once your clips are locked to the voice, click the Transitions button on the timeline, open Basic Transitions, and drop a simple transition between your scenes so everything flows like one continuous animation instead of separate clips. And that's it. Your full stick figure video is sitting on the timeline, made entirely for free. Hit export and it saves straight to your device, but do not upload it yet. Because this is the moment I've been holding back since the very first minute, the secret setting the biggest Stickman channels use before they publish, the one that separates 300 views from millions. That's next. The secret. YouTube asks, made for kids? Click yes and your video goes invisible. Click no, keyword and title, publish. One prompt, one free tool, one setting, free 24-hour unlimited Higgsfield access. Link in description. Watch this next.
You were alive for years and remember none of it. Why? It's called infantile amnesia. As a baby, your hippocampus, your brain's save button, was still under construction. Experiences came in, but long-term memories never got stored. They faded away like unsaved files. But here's the twist. Those years still wired your brain and shaped who you are. The footage got deleted, but the movie still made you.